Eric over here. We got some minor damage of possible EF0 Tornado that hit through a few days ago at my mom's farm or so. This is just the aftermath of the storm or so that hit by. No significant damage, no injury or anything. Just, I think it was just a touch ago, a tornado or so. Somebody just dropped by. So just some minor damage or something like that. Some significant damage on the generator, so it's there. Plus a little bit of minor roof damage on the garage thing right here now from a storm or so. But it didn't hit the house or anything though, which is good. Oh, there's Molly right there. But anyway, just want to show you. I may get a laptop soon now. I actually bought a smart TV, so I should have made this a laptop or something like that instead of a smart TV so I can post video for you guys. That was all.